Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to the channel. Hope the item keep safe and hope the item member for whisper a word of prayer today. Well, people, we have some developing story right now in relation to the explosion that took place at the Scotia ATM in Portland. And this information I am sure you would not want to miss. But as usual, before we dive into the details, I go beg the people that may check in for the first time, if you just go ahead and punch the subscribe button. And people, if you like the content and find the information to be interesting, just hit the like button, share the video with a friend, and leave a comment in the box below. Now let's get into the video. So for the persons who are not fully aware about what this is all about, I will just give you a brief summary. Now, a couple of days ago, an ATM in Portland exploded in the wee hours of the morning, injuring one man. Investigations commenced, and initially, the detectives were unable to determine what really transpired. But me no fool. From the first time I heard of the incident, me know something never straight, something never add up. I asked myself two questions. One, why are there no reports of any ATMs exploding over the years gone by? And two, why did it happen at that hour when there was nobody on the road? When you get the picture, don't. Something just never straight. Anyway, viewers, this screenshot right here might surprise you, but I was not surprised at all. Even though this is not yet confirmed, this statement actually makes sense to me. Well, I don't know if any of you out there can shine some more light on this piece of information, but if you can, share it in the comments and let us know. So then basically I say a security guard who is the treasurer for one of the most popular security companies in Jamaica and who is responsible for loading the machine with money was the mastermind behind the whole operation that caused the machine to explode. It is alleged that the guard disarmed the alarm system and it would appear that he intended to steal the money from the machine, then use an explosive device to blow up the ATM to cover up his tracks. Sounds like a scene from a Scooby-Doo movie, don't it? This plan, however, backfired and caused injuries to the culprit who is now being interrogated by the police. My biggest concern coming out of this incident is the desire to know what sort of explosive device the persons used that could have caused such an impact. How did they get it, and are there any more such devices in the country? Viewers and subscribers, if these allegations are true, then the ball game just changed. People, let us hear your views about this one in the comments. Remember to like and share this video. Until next time, keep safe and love God.